I'm Tom Romito from Western Cuyahoga Audubon Society, and I'm here with Stefanie Spear. Stefanie, would you please introduce yourself to our audience and your affiliation?
Sure. Stefanie Spear. I am the founder and CEO of EcoWatch. EcoWatch.com is one of the leading environmental news sites. We report on a broad range of environmental issues and work to educate and motivate people to care about human health and the environment.
Well, thank you. Could you please describe your work and how you got into it?
When I was a college student, I personally became conscious of my impact on the earth. For me, it felt a lot like just a light switch. It started mostly with solid waste issues, but I was at University of Wisconsin in Madison, a really progressive town, in college, and just felt like people should have been more conscious. I became more aware of solid waste issues and the amount of garbage being generated in our student union every day, and I thought, wow, I'm aware that for me as a person, as a human, to be healthy, the planet needs to be healthy too. And once I, started on that journey, I was like, well, why aren't more people aware? Because once you become aware, you notice all the other issues. And I decided it was because they lacked education on the issues. So I started publishing a newspaper as a student back in 1990, and thought, saw that it was, starting to get more people engaged, and all of a sudden all these people started contacting me with all their issues, and I realized there was a huge need for a venue, a platform, a home for the news of the people that were rolling their sleeves up every day to protect our water and our air. So, that idea of educating people back then is really today when you see EcoWatch, that's the culmination of my passion and work trying to get more people aware and conscious of their impact on the earth and begin what I call a journey from a humanistic viewpoint to a biocentric one. People who just begin to connect the dots between human health and the environment, to people who are voting with their dollar every day. They're ready to join a protest. They're contacting their elected officials. You don't go from consciousness to complete enlightenment in a day. It's a journey. And so EcoWatch works to help people along that journey. Obviously, we want people to move along the pathway as quickly as possible, as our planet is in crisis and we need more people to be conscious and to make daily changes to their lifestyle so that we can be sure that we have a planet for